Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we got something new and exciting on the channel, and that is this guy right here. We have a new Trail Finder 2 long wheelbase from RC 4-wheel drive. How cool is that? In the new 65 CJ5 scale garage. How cool is this, guys? I got my little buddy right here helping me. Hi, bud.
Hi.
All right, so if you hear anybody, that's just him. So this is the new Trail Finder 2. This is an unboxing video of my Trail Finder 2. So stick with us, we'll be right back. Stay tuned. Alrighty, this just came in the mail, didn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know who's more excited. Am I more excited or are you more excited? But you. Oh my goodness. I have been wanting one of these for a very, very long time. Like, if anybody watches RC Sparks on YouTube, I've been watching this stuff with the Trail Finder 2s from RC 4-wheel drive for years. But here you can see, this is the long wheelbase Trail Finder 2, ready to run. I do have a battery coming for it. I'm gonna try to put a lipo on it. So if you wanna pause the tape right now and see what's on here, this is all the information on the box. And then on the bottom here, let's flip it over here. Can you flip it over for me?
Yeah.
Stand it up, spin it around. Here, bring it around, buddy. This way, flip it over. Oh, thank you. All right, here's some options. And if you guys don't know what RC 4-wheel drive is, you guys are missing out. They are like absolutely awesome. A bunch of scale options here. It's a Warn, is it 8274? Check that thing out, it's pretty cool. Light kits, leaf springs, drive shafts. I think they actually have steel drive shafts. That's debatable if you watch some RC channels, if they want steel or plastic drive shafts for something to brake rather than your actual spur gear. The 4-link kit, look at that, and some shock absorbers. RC 4-wheel drive, check them out, rc4wheeldrive.com. I'll leave a link down in the description to where I got this. I actually got this from A-Main Hobbies, A-M-A-I-N Hobbies, A-Main Hobbies. They shipped, I bought this on Sunday, and today is Tuesday. I mean, that came super fast. Here, flip it back over, buddy. Someone's very excited. Come here, bud. Come down here. All right. Actually has beadlock wheels. They're 1.55s on some just generic mud terrain tires. So let's go ahead. Can you peel that off there? This here? Can you peel that part off?
Yes,
Can you get that off there? Yeah. They do sell. Go ahead. Try to work at it. Here. Pull it back here. Pull back this way. There you go. They do sell nickel metal hydride, but I'm going to put a lipo in here. You got to be careful, from what I've read, that they fit underneath the body. Oh boy. Hey, hold on, Caden. Not that one. Here, this one right here. Pull this off. Oh, here, peel this off.
Mommy's already built it.
Look at that. This is so stinking cool.
I want to drive it.
You want to drive it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, check this out. Man. I just want to admire the box for a minute. Because, I mean, I seriously... Samantha, how long have I wanted one of these? Years. I finally have one.
And it's long.
There is the part number if you're looking for this here. It's right there.
Hey, there's the same thing on the other side.
I know. They have the same thing over here. Man. All right, I think we ought to crack it open.
Yeah. Wow. What the heck? Whoa.
this out. Ready? Whoa.
That's cool.
Check it out.
Let's pull that out.
Wow, hold on.
Not yet.
Check it out, boys.
Cool. Hey.
Leaf springs, shackles. I mean, they sell hitch kits for these things, different bumpers.
Hey. The wheels.
Yeah, they're pretty cool, aren't they?
Yeah.
And I am super excited, man. And he's got some weight to it. If you haven't done so yet, I'm gonna put a link up in this corner right here. Check out my Rock Hobby Jeeps. I have some Rock Hobby Jeep RCs, and this is a Jeep channel, but we're kind of getting into the RC world a little bit. Boys like it. It's fun to do in the wintertime here while it's cold outside. So this one, definitely check it out, because it's if you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to the channel and turn your post notifications on, because I tell you what, there's gonna be a lot of changes coming to this little truck. This thing is so cool. The video doesn't even do it justice, man. This thing is really, really neat. It's a special day. If you want one of these for a long time, I don't know why I haven't got one until now. Maybe because they're a little expensive, but man, that's cool.
Hey, what's dropping out on the back?
I don't know what's dropping out on the back.
Hey, look at these.
I don't know. Oh, that's our, I think that's probably the receiver and the controller and all that stuff. Let's get that opened up. Yeah, Core's upstairs. Check it out. Leaf springs.
Hey, look in here.
Yeah, that's the bed.
Wheels. Hey.
Wow.
What is those in it? It's pins. So,
Just admiring it right now. That's the body pin. Let's look underneath of it. There's the front end.
wow.
Actual Toyota style axles. Check that out.
Wheel tires.
Transfer case.
Wheel tires. Yeah.
I'm fairly new to the Trail Finder too, but again, I know this is not necessarily a new truck. Should we peel this thing off of here? Hold on, I'm gonna do it.
And that, I think, leaves.
It's to protect it from getting scratched, but we're gonna take it outside and probably end up scratching it anyway. That is a really pretty color, isn't it?
That's a nice tool. What the?
Man, that is nice, isn't it?
Hey, shiny. Does the doors open?
Let's take the body off and see what it looks like underneath. Alrighty, so they do have beadlock wheels, like wagon style wheels that it comes with. And let's take the body off. I took the screws out and the pins out of the back. So the body comes right off.
Whoa.
And right out of the box, I'm not super knowledgeable of RCs. I mean, I know how they work and everything, but I don't know what's necessarily good and what's necessarily bad. I've heard that the steering servos are okay. This thing is waterproof. Everything should be waterproof in here. I've heard that the steering servos are okay, but not great. But for me, I mean, I'm super happy with it so far. Let's see here. That's your motor. And yeah, here's your, I think it's a Tamiya type plug. I couldn't find anywhere anybody talking about the plug type. Should be a Tamiya, however you say it, type plug. And again, it does come with a 3000 7.2 volt nickel metal hydride, however you say that. Say that, nickel metal hydride battery with the kit, which is really cool. I didn't know that. So super cool. Shocks.
Right here.
Let's look at the shocks. Leaf springs. So we'll definitely play with it and fine tune it and see what's the best setup. If we need to take some leaves out, it is pretty stiff. If we need to take some leaves out or a leaf out, or however we need to do to make it flex a little better, but it's actually, I mean, if you see that, it's pretty stiff, which is not bad. It's just it's not going to flex super well. So I've heard it's a very tough kit. All metal frame, very well built. Very well built.
Yeah. Our other Jeeps are not metal, they are just plastic.
Well, the frames are metal in the other Jeeps, but the bodies are plastic, and this is plastic too. So it's the same thing, same style. Okay, here's your book, all your information. They do sell this in a kit as well. But this is the ready to run kit. And I tell you what, I was looking at this one and the Marlin Crawler, which is a really cool one as well. It's not the long wheelbase, doesn't have the extra cab, extra door. It stops here and that's it. But this is what all it comes with. I didn't realize the Marlin Crawler said it did. This one said it didn't come with a battery that I read, but it actually does come with a nickel metal hydride battery pack. So it comes with that, it comes with the charger, comes with different adapters for, I guess, different parts of the world, different extra parts, batteries, and that thing is actually pretty cool. I'm sure there's much better ones out there, but yeah, that's actually pretty nice, really, for what it is. So this truly is a ready-to-run truck, which means it's RTR, which means everything that you need to run this truck is in the actual box. So that is really neat. So I'll probably actually read through this thing, and it's probably a good idea. I hear Cora talking on the monitor. You hear? I'll probably actually read through this, and I might even go over some parts on this thing and take some Loctite here and just make sure all the bolts are nice and tight before we take it outside and play with it. But
gonna play with it this day?
I don't know if we'll play with it today, but we'll charge it up, maybe run around the house tonight. How's that sound?
Good.
Yeah, so maybe we'll do that. But
we can drive it on the dirt pile.
Yeah, we can run on the dirt pile like the Jeeps, right?
Yeah. Like,
oh, also forgot to mention, has this cool bumper here.
oh,
Check that out. It goes up in the front here. Yep, goes right in the front there. So it actually set up for a winch right here on the yep, a winch can go there. And there's like literally, I don't know how many. There's a lot of different bumper choices for this rig. And again, there's a different bumper for the back that you can get in here, and you can actually put a receiver on here, like a little miniature receiver for a hitch. You can hook up trailers and stuff to it. Really cool.
Don't forget the pins.
Yep. All right, so you saw us unboxing this thing, but it looks really cool out of the box. It looks really neat with these scale mud tires on there and wagon wheels. However, I think we can do something a little bit better, don't you? Let's change it up a little bit. Should we change it up? Mm-hmm. All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Oh man, look at that. There we go. We got some Steelies on there. We have some RC four-wheel drive 1.9 Landies on some RC four-wheel drive 1.9 KM3s. And they are about 4 inches tall. How cool does that look, guys and gals? Now, I do have something different coming for these wheels, so stay tuned for a future video. They're in the mail, so hopefully they'll be here before too long. But these are RC four-wheel drive. If you see my Rock Hobby Jeeps, you'll see these little scale-worn hubs. They're really cool. This is the 1/10 scale, and I do have the 1/8 scale on my Rock Hobby Jeeps. But there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider subscribing to the channel, and definitely stay tuned for more RC videos in this cool little garage. How cool is this, guys? I'll do a garage tour on a future video, but thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day.